All right, let's talk about one of the wildest international showdowns happening right now, because the headlines aren't even close to telling the whole story. So here's what's up. US President Donald Trump just threatened Brazil with a 50% tariff on its exports to the US, starting August 1st. Yep, 50%, that's massive. And he's not doing this over steel, soybeans, or trade deficits. Nope. Trump says he'll slap on these tariffs unless Brazil stops what he calls a witch hunt trial against Jair Bolsonaro, the country's former right-wing president, and conveniently, a close Trump ally. Now, Bolsonaro's on trial for allegedly trying to stage a coup against Brazil's current president, Lula da Silva. It's serious stuff, but here's where it gets even messier. Trump is basically telling Brazil to call off its own trial, or else. Lula isn't taking it quietly. He fired back, saying Brazil is a sovereign nation with independent institutions. We won't accept any form of tutelage. Translation, don't try to boss us around. He even called Trump out, saying you weren't elected to be emperor of the world. Ouch. So why is Trump picking this fight? The US actually has a trade surplus with Brazil, meaning America sells more to Brazil than it buys. Economically, it doesn't really make sense. Analysts say this is about politics, not economics. Trump is tossing Bolsonaro a lifeline while rallying his own base with a big, dramatic move. But here's the twist. This hardball tactic, it might actually be backfiring. Brazil is more politically divided than ever, but Trump's interference is uniting people, at least for now, against what they see as American bullying. Lula, who's been struggling at home, is suddenly seeing a boost in support, and he's promising to hit right back, threatening tariffs on US products if Trump follows through. Tit for tat. And it goes deeper. The US Treasury just sanctioned a Brazilian Supreme Court judge, Alexandre de Moraes, saying he's behind arbitrary detentions and censorship in the Bolsonaro trial. Brazil, predictably, is furious, calling this straight-up interference in their justice system. So now we've got threats, sanctions, and a diplomatic brawl over a court case that's supposed to be Brazil's business. The whole episode is a crash course in how global politics, trade, and personal vendettas collide. What does it mean for the rest of us? Maybe higher prices, definitely more tension, and a reminder that sometimes world leaders play chess with entire economies. That, or they're just flipping the board when the game doesn't go their way. I'll be keeping an eye on this story, because trust me, it's far from over. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. See you next time.
Hey, we all want to scale our business. Hey, I have the answer for you today to help you do that. If you're looking to scale from 5, 6, even 7 figures and beyond, called Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone. I'm going to give it to you for free. All you have to do is type in growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash, and you can download the book for absolutely free. I hope the book helps you this year. Take your business to the next level. Again, go grab the book, growfast.cash. I say again, growfast.cash. I wish you the best and grow, scale, and win.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.